whale! Help! Come quickly! Over here!
We discovered a huge whale tangled in old fishing nets and plastic debris. The team immediately began the rescue operation. We keep him wet with water, cut away the tangled ropes, and carefully use a boat to help him return to the ocean. There was so much plastic on the shore that we brought in a mobile recycling facility. At the same time, volunteers are manually collecting tons of trash, fishing nets, and bottles.
Wait! There's something here! A turtle! Careful!
Among the piles of plastic, we found a sea turtle tangled in the nets. We carefully free her and help her return to the ocean. We didn't stop at the beach and cleared the entire surrounding forest area of discarded waste.
Careful.
Easy.
That's it.
They're free.
Even the forest animals suffered because of the nets. We free a family of hedgehogs and return them safely to nature. Even the forest animals suffered because of the nets. We free a family of hedgehogs and return them safely to nature. Hello, friends! Today, we're going to build a multifunctional marine wildlife rescue and rehabilitation center. And this won't be just an ordinary rescue center. Ahead of us is the construction of a unique underwater tunnel where we'll be able to observe marine life, as well as a special rehabilitation hall with pools for rescued and injured animals. But before we can start building, there's something very important we need to do first. So stay with us until the end to see the entire project, from the very beginning to the final result. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To help animals on a permanent basis, we decided to build a large-scale rescue center. We bring in heavy machinery, clear the site, remove tree stumps, and cut up the timber. We level the ground with a roller, surveyors precisely mark out the future building, and excavators dig the foundation pit. We assemble a strong reinforcement framework and install a complex network of utilities, pipes, and drainage channels. We install the formwork and use a concrete pump to pour the monolithic foundation slab. We're installing solar panels on the roof to help provide the center with its own clean, renewable energy. Now we're installing large panoramic windows to bring as much natural light as possible into the center and open up beautiful views of the ocean. We're finishing the building's facade with natural wood and decorative wooden slats to give the center a modern yet eco-friendly appearance. On the ocean side, we're building a spacious wooden terrace where people can relax and enjoy the view of the sea. In front of the center, we're creating a landscaped recreation area with greenery, benches, and plenty of open space where staff and visitors can relax and enjoy the surrounding nature. We begin the most challenging stage, installing the underwater tunnel. Using a crane, we lower sealed transparent sections directly into the coastal waters. A team of divers secures the tunnel sections to the ocean floor while installing the underwater foundation. The tunnel is complete. We test the lighting systems. Now visitors and scientists can observe marine life from right inside the ocean, Even sharks swim past. We move on to the main rehabilitation hall. We create precise laser markings and cut 3 enormous circular pools into the concrete floor. We move on to the main rehabilitation hall. We create precise laser markings and cut 3 enormous circular pools into the concrete floor. The craftsmen apply a unique 3D epoxy coating with an ocean wave design around the pools. We install medical equipment, computers, and research stations. And here is our first patient. The rescued turtle is already undergoing rehabilitation in the new pool, under the supervision of veterinarians. All that remains is to complete the center's main lobby. We clear the space and grind the concrete floor. We pour an artistic, self-leveling floor in turquoise and blue tones, creating the feeling of being on the ocean floor. We installed textured wooden panels and a sign featuring the Marine Wildlife Rescue and Rehabilitation Center logo. We bring in stylish furniture and arrange the plants. The rescue center is now completely ready to operate. If you enjoyed this massive project, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our new videos. See you next time.